Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can search up specific images on like AI, like generate basically. So you can just go to Google and search AI image generated, AI generated images, and you can select any that you want. There's a lot to choose from. There's Pixar, Canva, Hotpot, but I'm just going to use Gencraft for this. You do need to upgrade it if you want to generate a lot of pictures, but basically what I'm going to like type is something, for instance, like Disney sleeping beauty, maybe like Pixar, actually Pixar Toy Story bedroom. And I usually choose the realistic one for this, and make sure you select the image one, and then you're just going to select generate. And I've seen a lot of these trends, like people taking like an album or something from Disney and creating a hotel room or like a resort or like a restaurant inspired theme, like what it would look like, I guess. But it's going to basically generate it, and you can just like save the image and put it in a video. I'm just still waiting. And here's the AI inspired room. It's not fully like accurate. It doesn't have like the like everything, like the accurate like toys and stuff, but looks pretty much realistic. So maybe this one, regenerate. And basically you're just going to save the image. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!